Namaste, crypto aficionados and my fellow capitalists. I hope you guys are doing great. I have a quick video for you today, but before that, I just want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Again, please do your due diligence, right? It's risky cryptocurrencies. We do 100x's and we can even lose our money, right? Yeah, so be very careful. Another thing is, I just want to say quickly, please like, please share, please subscribe to my channel. I want to grow my channel, trying to bring you the best projects out there. Okay, guys? So I think 2 months back, right, I made a video on Fantom Starter, okay, the upcoming public sale. Okay, so it's coming, right? So I'm here to update you on what's happening, right? So Fantom Starter whitelisting guide and airdrops, it opens on September 15th today. Okay, I will leave this link below, so not to worry. So I'll just go through this with you quickly because I've got some other videos to make, right? So hello Fantom Starters, we are excited to announce that the whitelist for Fantom Starters native token FS will go live on the 15th September at 1600 hours UTC. Okay, Fantom Starter whitelisting process is not based on first come first serve. There is no need to feel rushed going through this document. Read it carefully, ensure you understand every aspect. Okay guys, so there are two things, right? One is the Fantom Starters public sale whitelisting competition and the Fantom Starters airdrop. Okay, and also double check that you are using the official website at all times. This is the website. I will leave it down at my link below, right, at the description box below. Okay, so now let's talk about the public sale whitelist. The basic steps. The step one is that there will be a Gleam link that will be announced on their channels. Follow them on Twitter and they will post it at 3:30 p.m. UTC. Okay, and then it will redirect you to the Gleam public whitelisting competition. Okay, and then step two, log in and add your details with your email, your Google or your Twitter, right? If you don't have that, please create that. Step three, now this is very familiar. Fill in all the missions that are guided to you on the Gleam app. Each mission will earn you 1 point of entry, and if you complete all missions, you will get a bonus of 2 points of entry. The more points you have, the higher chance you have to get whitelisted. Guys, we need to do this quickly, okay? So you follow the Twitter on that, when the Gleam link comes. Make sure, like for me, I'm trying to do it before it already. I'm trying to follow them on Twitter. I'm trying to subscribe to their newsletter, subscribe to their media. So this is all you could do now itself. You don't have to wait for so long, right? And then get a Fantom address. Of course, you need a Fantom address on MetaMask. Okay. I'll try to leave this. I think I think they use Phantom Opera or something like that. Okay. I'll try to put that link as well. Okay. And then, right, get a bonus when you complete everything. So these are the points. You can take a look at this, right? And then you need to wait after you submit. You have to wait for the winner's announcement. So this is luck, right? You get it. You will need Reddit, Twitter, Telegram, Medium account, and your Fantom address. So the guys, please have this already. Okay, if you don't have, make it very simple. Okay, tokens for sale, 30 million FS tokens. Okay, the price is 38 of a cent. 38 of a cent, so 0.0038 cents is cheap. Okay, total rates is 114, total number of winners is 456, allocation is 250. So if you take 250 divided by the price, you're getting about 460 over 1,000 tokens. Guys, don't miss this. If you get it, your life is made. Let me tell you that this will make your life. You will be rich, trust me. Okay, date of TGE is early October, location Fantom Starter app. Okay, note for winners, there will be more details regarding how to participate in Fantom Starters public sale. Okay, never mind. So now let's say, now we talk about the airdrop. Okay, let's say you never get the thing. Okay, never mind, too bad. There is an airdrop and is a guaranteed distribution that will be evenly distributed among everyone who signs up with a correct Fantom address. Okay, so we are giving out 0.2% of FS tokens, which is which is how much? 2 million FS tokens, and evenly shared to all participants. Okay, so you can go through the FAQs, okay, and all that. I will leave it in the link. and let me know if you have any questions. At the same, I will try my best to answer them. Okay, and the same time, don't forget to get all your requirements and all that, the Twitter and Reddit and all that. Okay, guys. So yeah, thank you so much, and that's all I have for you. And please like, please share, please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. I'm trying to grow my channel, right? Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much. Namaste. Please support me to grow my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.